Hi friends, let's balance one more equation. This equation is for the reaction between barium chloride and sulfuric acid to form barium sulfate and hydrochloric acid. I have noted down the atoms present on the reactants as well as the products. They are barium, sulfate radical, hydrogen, chlorine. Here I have taken sulphate. The sulphate radical is present on both the sides of the chemical equation. The left hand side it is present in sulfuric acid and the right hand side it is present in barium sulfate. So if the polyatomic ion or the polyatomic radical is present on both the sides of the chemical equation, that radical need not be broken into different atoms. Instead, it can be considered as a single unit, like an atom. So we have taken SO4 as a single unit. Now let's check the atoms present on the left hand side as well as the right hand side. Barium at the left hand side, how many atoms are there? Only one. Barium at the right hand side also, only once. Sulfate radical at the left hand side, only once. Similarly, at the right hand side also it is only once. Hydrogen at the left hand side, two times, whereas hydrogen at the right hand side, only once. Chlorine at the left hand side, it is two times, but the right hand side, it is only one time. When we check those atoms, we can easily identify hydrogen and chlorine alone are not equal on both the sides of the equation. Therefore, we can multiply this hydrogen, this 1, we can multiply by 2 in order to make it equal. So this 2 has to be written as a coefficient of this hydrogen. This hydrogen is present in hydrochloric acid. Therefore, this hydrochloric acid needs to be multiplied by 2. So when we write this 2 as a coefficient for hydrochloric acid, this 2 belongs to both the hydrogen as well as chlorine atoms. Therefore, the number of chlorine atoms will change from 1 to 2 times. Now once again, we can check the atoms on the left hand side as well as the right hand side. Barium, both the side, the number of atoms is 1. Sulphate, both the side, the number of atoms is 1. Hydrogen, both the sides, 2 atoms are there. Chlorine, both the sides, 2 atoms are there. So all the atoms of the reactants as well as the products are equal. Therefore, this equation is balanced. So the balance equation for the reaction is 1 mole of barium chloride reacts with 1 mole of sulfuric acid. As a result, 1 mole of barium sulfate and 2 moles of hydrochloric acid are obtained. Thank you so much for watching.